Why did the NHL eliminate the two-line pass rule? Imagine a game where players could send long, swift passes across the ice without restrictions. That's what the NHL aimed for when they removed the two-line pass rule. This change happened in 2005, right after the lockout season. The league wanted to make hockey faster, more exciting, and more open. Before that, the two-line pass rule stopped players from making passes that crossed both the defensive blue line and the center red line without touching a teammate. This rule was meant to prevent cherry-picking and slow play, but it also limited how teams could break out of their zones. Teams had to rely on short, controlled passes, which made the game more methodical and less dynamic. By removing the rule, teams could now make longer, uninterrupted passes across the ice. This sped up transitions from defense to offense and created more scoring chances. The game became more fluid and less predictable, which fans loved. It also encouraged players to be more creative with their passing and skating. The change was part of a bigger effort to boost scoring and make hockey more entertaining after the lockout. Historically, the two-line pass rule was introduced to stop offensive players from positioning themselves for down the ice to catch long passes behind the defense. It also supported defensive tactics like the neutral zone trap, which clogged up the middle of the ice and slowed down the game. These tactics made games lower scoring and more focused on defense. But by 2005, the NHL saw that the rule was holding back offensive flow and making the game slower. Advances in goalie equipment and player speed also made the original reasons for the rule less relevant. Removing the rule helped counteract overly defensive strategies and open up the game. It allowed for more creative plays and faster skating, making hockey more exciting to watch. Some critics say that scoring did not increase as much as expected, and the faster pace might have led to more injuries because of higher speeds and more open ice. Others argue that while it reduced certain defensive traps, new tactics emerged that could limit passing artistry. In the end, the NHL decided to eliminate the two-line pass rule to make the game quicker, more open, and more fun for players and fans. It was a major shift in how hockey was played, reflecting changes in player skills, equipment, and what fans want to see on the ice.